Hello everyone, welcome to another Router Gods video. My name is Humphrey Chung and this is a 2-for-1 video review of both the Logitech Webcam C920, which is on my laptop right there, and also the Blue Yeti microphone, which I just got from Guitar Center for $150. So let's get started with the Logitech C920 webcam. It's the top of the line webcam right now. You could probably see the video quality is very good. I've used it for a couple weeks now. It's awesome. Resolution, it takes up to 1080p video and also takes multi-megapixel pictures, although I don't really use the picture feature that much. It's got stereo mics, and when the webcam is on, the sides glow blue. I can actually show you the webcam. I'm going to use my iPad as a mirror so you can see it. Ooh. All right there. So you can see it's pretty wide, and the base on the back is fairly heavy, so it's not going to fall off your laptop or monitor stand. So right now you're hearing the video. All the settings are on auto. The sound settings, the video settings are on auto. I do have an LED light on a stand here beaming some light at my face, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off that LED light so you can see the difference. Oops. This is the Z96 LED light, by the way. So right now that LED light is off, and you could probably see the video quality is still pretty decent. So that's nice. Okay, let's move on to the Yeti microphone. This is a USB mic. I'm going to take it out of the package in a couple seconds. And here's what you get. You get a USB cord. This is from your laptop or computer to the Yeti itself. You get an instruction manual, both in English and French. And of course the Yeti itself, which is this monster right here. You can see this is a pretty huge microphone, and this base, actually the whole unit, is very heavy. This is not going to fall off your table. Well, I guess it could fall off your table. It's going to take a lot of effort to actually push it off. On the base here, let's just take a quick tour of the unit. On the base here, you've got foam on the bottom. More grip, also isolates the shocks if you manage to bump your table, so the sound won't travel to the microphone itself. Let's take a look at the bottom. This thing swivels, which is pretty nice. Okay, the bottom there, this is a threaded mic stand port, so you can screw it on a mic stand. Obviously you would have to probably take this, unscrew these side bolts here to take that sucker out. You also have the USB output. You've got your headphone jack right here, so this allows you to do real-time monitoring. So as you're talking in, you're listening to yourself, and you can make adjustments. Now, what adjustments can you make? You can make quite a bit. Let's take a look at the back. This is the gain. And then this is, you have 4 different patterns for the microphone. So this microphone is actually, you can think of it as 4 microphones in one. So you have the omnidirectional, where it picks up the whole room. You could have directional, cardioid, which is talking directly into the microphone. Then they have stereo, which is 2 directions. And then you have bidirectional, which is you put it on a table and you're interviewing someone and it's picking you up, and it's also picking up your victim or if you're interrogating someone. But so that's pretty good. That's the gain, and that is the pattern. Let's take a look at the front. You've got a mute button right here, and then you also have the volume button, which changes the volume of your monitoring if you're using a headset connected to the bottom here. Okay, let's plug this sucker in and see how it performs. All right, I've mounted my Yeti microphone onto a mic stand right here. And you can see I've plugged in the USB cable into my laptop, and right now this mute button right here is glowing red. So when it's glowing red, it means it is listening, it is recording. And if you push it, you'll see that it is now blinking. That means it is on mute. Okay, so I'm still talking through my Logitech webcam. That's the audio you're hearing right now. And what's nice about the Logitech webcam software is there's a drop-down box on the right-hand side that allows me to select different microphones. So right now is the webcam. I'm going to hit the drop-down and we're going to go to the Yeti. and it does not want to cooperate. That's interesting. Okay, so it looks like I cannot change the microphone input as soon as the Logitech is recording. So that is a good discovery. So let me stop recording, and I'll change the microphone settings. Okay, so we're back, and I have changed the microphone settings in the Logitech webcam software. So the video is coming from the webcam, and the audio right now should be coming from the Blue Yeti microphone. So it's kind of a weird trick or weird problem with the Logitech webcam software in that you cannot change the microphone on the fly while you're recording. But, you know, such is life, not a big problem. So right now I'm plugged into the microphone, the Yeti. I am doing real-time monitoring with some in-ear buds that are plugged into the mic. And let's play around with the gain. Right now I am set on the cardioid, which is the direct speaking into the microphone. So let me change the gain. The gain right now is halfway, and as a little test, I'm going to start talking as I get back around the microphone, so rotating around the microphone. So here I am, I'm at about a 90-degree angle on the side, and right here I am directly behind the front of the microphone. I'm going to turn the gain all the way down. Okay, so that's the gain all the way down. I'm not sure how this is going to pick up. It sounds, I think I still hear myself. And now I'm going to turn it back halfway. And this is the gain back halfway. Sounds pretty good. And now let's turn the gain up a little bit. And here's the gain almost to full. Actually, that sounds a little bit better. And now I'm going to turn it full blast. And here's the gain at full blast. So it's pretty nice that there's a nice analog dial in the back for the gain. I'm going to turn it back halfway. Okay, we're going to try to play around with some of the patterns in the back. I'm going to go and do omnidirectional. Okay, so here we are omnidirectional. My gain is still halfway. And now I've walked about 3 feet away from the microphone. And taking off my earbuds, I'm going to walk across the other end of the room, seeing if the microphone still picks me up. I'm way back here. And let me go to the corner. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. And let's try turning the gain all the way up on this Omni. Okay, so now the gain's all the way up. I'm walking backwards, still walking backwards. And I'm about, guess I'm about 8 to 10 feet away from the microphone. Turning the gain back halfway. And let's turn it to, I'm going to turn it to interview mode. So this is interview mode where I'm guessing I should be able to talk in this direction and my interviewee should be behind, and the microphone should be able to pick the person up. So here I am about normal interview distance. I'm going to turn the microphone around and we'll see if this still works. So now I'm the same distance except the back of the microphone is facing me. And once again, this is in interview mode where it can record front and back. Okay, the stereo mode, I'm not going to play around with stereo mode. I don't know if I would ever be able to use that, but let me just turn it back to cardioid. Cardioid. Okay, we're back on cardioid, and my gain is a little bit more than half. So that's a quick test of both the Logitech Webcam C920, which is recording the video and audio in the previous part of this video, and also the Blue Yeti microphone. So sounds pretty good. The audio quality is very good. $150 at Guitar Center. Thanks for watching.